Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Just with Detail Diamonds, back with another one. Right now, we have a disaster interior we are about to get into. Scar pretty bad, man. We are charging $350 for this job. Just the inside. We have to take care of the seats. That one actually is not too bad. This is what we working with, people. Processes. We are going to use our extractor. We have finally gotten our new one. We're going to use our drill brush, steam cleaner, agitate these doors with our magic erasers. We got our citrus degreaser. We have came packed, man. We have came packed for this detail. Chelsea, what's good, bro? How you feeling this morning, bro?
Feeling good.
How you feeling about this detail overall from what you have seen so far?
It's pretty bad, but that's what we work with on a daily, so we can get it good again.
Now, you are the headliner expert, bro. What are the techniques and processes you are thinking about putting into play to try to get these headliners looking correct?
Well, if the material is good, it's not gonna be too terrible if you drench it a little bit just to get it soaked in. We have a stronger type of degreaser called a citrus degreaser, heavy duty, so that should bring it back all the way to optimal conditions. But don't be afraid. If the material is good, don't be afraid to drench it a little bit and then get your buffing action in.
Nice.
Evans made another one.
Detail Diamonds here, the Diamond Boss, Justin himself. Hey, what's good? So what's the deal with this car right now?
All right, bro. So right now, I'm actually surprised at how we're attacking it. The seats weren't as bad as I thought they were, but they're coming out nice. That central degreaser really doing this thing. You really did your thing on that ceiling too, bro. But right now, what we got left to do, we really still got to do the floors. We got to attack the plastic panels. We got to steam the seats a little bit. And I'll say give it about another hour and a half. We should be done, bro.
So what was the whole process in getting this done, especially the seats?
The seats, we definitely had to use the citrus degreaser. I'll link some of those products and things that we use in this video in the description. But we wanted to use the citrus degreaser. We wanted to use the drill brush. Extractor helped out a whole lot. We started to see the dirt coming up out of the seats, giving that seats the final finish like it has right now. So right now we just continue to work out the process, bro.
And you do the seats panel by panel, working your way from the back or the front?
Yeah, so I started in the back. My main goal was just to hit this in its entirety first, then work my way to the front. I still got some there's some little goo in the seat. I'm going to put some goo going on to try to get that going, but other than that, besides the steaming and that, the seat should be good to go.
Yeah, so what's the importance of doing the seats first rather than just starting at maybe like the console area and working your way around? Is there like some type of hazard or something if you start the seats last?
No, I typically like to start the seats first for the drying purposes. You get what I'm saying? Today it's pretty warm out, so I figured if I attack the seats first, let them go ahead and get its dry time. By the time the customer is ready to actually drive it, it should be nice and dry for her to get inside.
Okay, cool. And for the carpets, what's the process for the carpets now?
These carpets right here, I'm seeing they have a couple of bad spots that may not come out with the cleaning. Like you see this right here, it's kind of like on the harder side. The fibers are pretty matted down, so there might not be too much we could do with that, especially this section right here too. But we're gonna go ahead and just hit it with the regular process, drill brush, put some steam on it. We got the extractor now, so we can see what that does, and we should go from there, bro.
Okay, sweet. Well, Detail Diamonds, hard at work.
Yes, sir. Yes,
See y'all on the other side.
Evan's made another one.
Sincerely, guys, we appreciate you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We typically post 3 to 4 times a week. It's Detail Diamonds, based out of Charlotte, South Carolina. One love, peace, love, and blessings. We're out.
This is crazy. Hell yeah.